guys, welcome back or welcome if you are new here. My name is May, also known as Mrs. Leiva, and today I wanted to do a styling video on my newest addition to my handbag collection, and that is my Senreve Aria Belt Bag. Now, if you did see my recent unboxing, if not, I will leave it down below for you guys to check out. I did get this little cutie for my birthday as a surprise from my husband. I was totally not expecting to get it so soon. I did have it in mind to add it later on in the year, but he surprised me with it for my birthday and I was stoked. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start styling her. So that's why I decided to do this video, because I figured as I come up with little outfit ideas on different ways to style the Aria bag, I wanted to share with you guys in case you have the bag and you're looking for some inspiration, or if you're thinking about adding the bag, I also wanted to show you the different ways that you can use her. Now, really quick before we get into the styling portion of the video, I just wanted to share with you what comes with the bag, and then I also want to do a really quick, not what's in my bag technically, but kind of show you the things that you could fit in this bag, because I did get a couple of questions on key essentials that people carry on their handbags from day to day, and they did ask me if it fit into this one, so I thought that that would be helpful as well. So as I mentioned, this is the Senreve Aria bag, and it is in the dragon embossed. It's not croc embossed. I corrected myself on that when I was linking all the information in the unboxing video, and it is in the color black. This bag is stunning. I'm not gonna bore you with how beautiful I think this bag is, but I really think it's a really good classic to add into your collection. So the bag itself comes with one strap, which this is how they will ship the bag to you. So it does come with this strap right here, and it is a very long strap, and it does have a ton of adjustments. Since it can be used so many different ways, I guess they wanted to make sure that you had all the adjustments that you needed in order to be able to style her. And then Senreve does do from time to time little promotions of a gift with purchase. So in this case, when my husband ordered it, they were giving, I think it was either a twilly or a chain, and he opted for the chain, which I was super grateful for, because it's just gonna give me that extra versatility on how to style and use this bag. So it is this really nice chain. This one is a shorter length, so I'm thinking about styling this one more for like shoulder options. I think the bag is just so wonderful because you have so many different ways to be able to incorporate her no matter what your style is. It does come in different leathers as well, so I feel like if you want to go for a more casual look, you can go the pebbled route, even though I really think this embossed leather goes well with anyone's wardrobe and style as well. Alright, so let's get into some of the essentials to see if they fit or not in this bag. I will show you the inside really quick. It is in this beautiful suede or microfiber lining, and it does have two slip pockets right here for cards. It also has a zippered compartment in the back as well, and that's pretty much it. These tabs here are for you to put the strap or for you to be able to incorporate the chain as well here, so that's what that's for. And then it also has a really small slip pocket here in the center. I personally don't see myself using that pocket. You could probably slip a card holder in there, but I don't know if it's gonna stretch out the leather too much. All right, so I brought out a very slim card holder. This one here is from Poland, but it's pretty similar to any other card holder from any other luxury fashion house or just a typical card holder. As you can see, it does fit in there, but it does stretch out that leather a little bit, like I mentioned, and that card holder currently has no cards inside. So just me personally, I don't think I would feel comfortable putting a card holder. What I would probably just do is remove the cards and then put them inside and use the actual slip pockets here that are available for you to put your cards in. So I did want to get into the Mini Pochette, and I did want to show you that she does fit inside, but that's pretty much it. As you can see, let me bring her up close. It's just pretty much taking up that space completely. I don't think you would be able to put anything else. I did want to share that you might be able to put in sunglasses outside of the case, because by putting the case inside, I think, yeah, that's definitely gonna be a no-go. So you could remove the sunglasses, and maybe if you have like a soft pouch you can put them in there. Let's say like if you had one of these, it's a lot going on. So I would assume that you can put them in here just to protect. My sunglasses are either Key Australia or Amazon. I don't really spend money on luxury sunglasses just because I don't think they're worth it personally, but that's just me. So you can put them in a pouch like so and then just stack it right on the top there. I still think it's a little tight, to be honest. Yeah, you see it will be a little tight, so it's definitely gonna squeeze the sunglasses. So as I mentioned, I wouldn't put the Mini Pochette inside. I would probably just use things on their own or go for a smaller type of pouch if I needed to have something within a pouch that I just didn't want thrown around in the bag. So that's just my personal choice, but I just wanted to share with you that the Mini Pochette does fit if you must carry that piece. I also wanted to bring out my Toiletry 15. Now this one seems to be pretty much the same width as the bag. So once again, I just think it's gonna be one of those tight fits. It does slide in there perfect, but as I mentioned, that's pretty much the only thing that you can fit in there. I wouldn't risk fitting anything else because I just think it's gonna stretch out the leather. And then here is my card holder of preference. You guys know I love this style of compact wallet. It's just basically a zippered compartment, and then you do have the options to put some cards on the back part. So this will obviously fit in there perfectly fine. As I previously mentioned, if I'm going to downsize so much, I would be picky about what I'm taking and what I'm using. So I probably wouldn't carry this card case just because it is a little bit thicker. I would just take out my credit card of choice and my ID, and then if I needed to carry cash, I would just put it in the zippered compartment. But just wanted to share that it does fit. So this is just a typical zippered card case that you can fit in there. And then you can probably fit in your sunglasses, which this is the case for. Actually, the sunglasses seem to be a tight fit as well. So let me move the card holder to the back. And then if you needed to carry a case for your sunglasses, you can do so like that. But once again, that's gonna take up a lot of space from the bag, so I wouldn't recommend it. And then we can close her up. I will get into a more in-depth first impression and review of this bag. However, I still haven't given it enough use to do one of those for you. You guys know I like to use my bags really well before I get into an in-depth review to share. But I do gotta say that the closing is a little bit fussy. That's the first thing I've noticed, so I'll just throw that out there. But with the card holder and a sunglasses case, there you have it. It pretty much just doesn't strain the leather, but it's definitely taking up the entire space of the handbag. And then last but not least, I wanted to share that my iPhone does fit inside. I currently have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I'm filming on it, so this is the case for it, and I can just slide it in. But as I've been mentioning, you have to be definitely picky with what you choose to add. In this case, I went ahead and just slid it in towards the back, so it slides in there fine. And then I can just put any little thing that I choose to take. Like I said, I would probably just carry the sunglasses in a little pouch like that and put that there at the bottom, and then just stack any other essential probably in the top, like a hand sanitizer, hand cream, lip balm, anything that I know I really need during the day. That's what I would put in there, just without any pouch in particular. So that one fits in there just fine, and then you can close her up like so. Alright, so I just wanted to take a few minutes to share with you the little things that could fit inside and how you can play around with what you choose to put inside of the bag. But without further ado, let's get into the styling portion of the video. Now, really quick before we get into the second look, I just wanted to share with you guys how you can put the strap on the two back options that it has in order to wear it either across your chest or as a bum bag. As you can see, the strap that it comes with is very, very long, and as I mentioned, it has a ton of different adjustments that you can play with depending on what style it is that you're going for. It also offers two little tabs for you to put the strap through. So as you saw the first one, and then this one here is the second. Alright guys, so that does it for the 7 ways I chose to style this cutie. I wanted to just make sure that I gave you different outfit inspirations in case of the event that you were going to, whether it was a casual brunch day with the girls or if you were going to a fancier event. You could definitely carry this bag with you. It's just really about how you choose to style the straps that they come with and any additional strap that you choose to add to her. I myself am still playing around with her and deciding how to incorporate her into my outfits. So as I come up with more inspiration, I'll make sure to share with you guys over on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me there. And if you do like these type of styling videos, I'm gonna go ahead and leave another one up here for you guys to check out. As always, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to watch today, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.